What's up, everybody? My name is thejjordan. Today, it's May 21st of May. And I know, y'all know I don't do no garden, but I know some of y'all that love plants and garden. And I just wanted to show y'all some because, I don't take care of it. Look at this. We is at the plum tree, y'all. We is at the plum tree. We got plums on here. They got some plums on here. They over here. We got some plums on here, you know what I mean? We over doing some work over here. Got some work over here, you know? Got some plums on here, y'all see? Look at that, look at that. There's plums all on this tree. And look at this up here. You see that? You see that right there? Look at that, look at that. Plums. I know y'all like, why you ain't doing nothing with these plums? I'm talking about plums galore over here. They growing good. This whole branch is just doing good. Like if I like y'all say, if I take care of it, I probably can have more, huh? But I just wanted to give y'all a little quick snippet and let y'all see about my plum tree that I don't take care of, and it's still producing plums. And if it's not plums, y'all told me it was plums, so that's why I'm saying plums. So I'll holler at y'all later. I ain't doing no more garden. I'm out of here. That's all my garden I'm gonna do. Peace and hair grease. Ooh-wee.